Scavengers, by the way.
Me, tomato. Don't hit scavengers, okay?
Okay, don't hit scavengers.
That was the hit us as well, right?
Okay, come
They
out,
won't
come
hit.
out,
They
come
won't
out,
hit.
come out. Take
हम लोग
Steiner,
हार्ड
come out,
रेड क्या
everyone.
शुड बी
Take
हार्ड
Steiner.
रेड, उन लोग को भी दिक्कत नहीं होगा, हम लोग बच
I
जाएंगे ज्यादा
don't.
आसानी
No,
से.
no, just come, just come. It doesn't matter, bhai, that much. Come, just come.
अरे होगा मेरे जैसा
North
गरीब
side
नाम,
करेंगे.
मेरे जैसा गरीब कोई होगा जो नाम ऑफ
Okay,
करके
do
खेल
it
रहा है,
then.
इसलिए
Do
बोल
it
रहा हूँ.
when we dismount. Okay, just come.
किंगो टनल के तरफ से.
So guys, I
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
car back. I have to walk. I traded.
It's fine,
Oh
it's
yeah,
fine.
just come, come,
Yeah.
come. Any
Yeah.
other bedrock we have? No, right?
ऐसी कुत्ता बदमाश. Who is it?
We have GA and yeah, we will be fine.
यार तुम लोग ब्लॉक कर
Scavengers
जाओगे.
got
Trail,
wiped.
trail, are you?
But they
Scavengers
won,
got
right?
wiped.
I'm away.
The one?
I'm checking.
They got wiped. They got wiped. 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 They are the-
Scavengers got wiped.
Yep. Scavengers wiped.
Wait. How much DA these guys
तो वो
have?
लोग रीगियर करेंगे
Bro,
प्रोबेबली, रुक जाते
Ivor,
हैं.
what the fuck? Seriously?
I thought the others was getting fucked. It's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, just don't come.
अबे
Just go
भाई.
back northwest. Just go back northwest. Go back northwest.
ओए दे
हाँ
आर
हाँ,
3
स्कैवेंजर माउंट अप कर गए, स्कैवेंजर्स माउंट अप कर गए.
Are they actually losing the fight?
Yeah, they
Just
lost.
keep
They
going,
lost.
keep
They lost.
going, keep
Guys,
going.
guys, dismount over here,
Remove
dismount
Stein,
here,
remove
dismount
Stein,
here.
remove Stein, remove Stein on top of him. Remove Stein on top of him. Remove Stein on top of him. Don't dismount. Just keep walking, northwest. We are not turning, motherfuckers, noobs. Just go. They're gonna call out Zerg, bro. Mount up.
वो लोग रीगियर कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं वी रीग्रुपिंग.
Hitman, you have stack, bro. Keep going. Yeah, just go northwest. We will fight. Ask them when they regroup, then only we will fight. We'll stay
Okay.
southwest gate. Just come on this crossroad of the bridge. Stay a little bit spread.
I'm pinging something. What is it pinging?
Wait,
Just
should
stay
we
here.
just get?
Stay here. Someone keep eye on southeast side.
Should we just bring?
Drop, drop.
और अरे हैमर तो रखना ही पड़ेगा वरना बाहर ही नाचते रहेंगे क्या.
You have hammers though, right?
Yeah,
From the past.
we have banner too, right?
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा हैमर लाओ, अगर वो लोग हम पे नहीं देख रहे तो एक वॉल भी तोड़ देंगे तो ज्यादा जगह मिलेगा काइट करने का.
Bro, I have banners. Chill. I have banners.
Okay, nice.
नहीं आई एम जस्ट सेइंग 10 लोग हैमर रख लो ना, 5 गेट पे 5 वॉल पे.
I'll rejoin, okay?
What are they saying? The scavengers, what are they saying?
They're coming.
Okay.
If they pick up banner, we go. If they don't, then I don't know. We just fuck off.
50 seconds. 50 सेकंड में बैनर उठा पाएंगे वो?
One guy should be there.
एक तो रैम ब्रेकर बोल रहे कि I think they're going castle now.
भाई उन्हें बोल ask to someone जो रेन ब्रेकर से बोल बैनर उठा जा चूती है.
वो तो इधर ही खड़ा है भाई, जोन में नहीं
उसे बोलना उसे बैनर उठा.
उनको
अरे
याद
उठाएगा,
दिलाओ
30
कि बैनर भी
सेकंड
उठाना
में।
होता है.
Probably no, bro.
कर डिसीजन है.
I don't think so. They won't make it up, bro. They won't make it up. Western Paradise is gone.
There I am.
If they want to win, they have to pick the banner.
Why are you
Message
guys?
कर रहे हैं ना.
You guys gonna
5 सेकंड
pick the
खत्म है.
Okay. जी.
हम हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव जाएंगे वापस.
Yeah, scavengers in Windgrass Terrace. I see scavengers in Windgrass
Warriors को
Terrace.
बताने के लिए वेस्टर्न आया. What the fuck?
नहीं उनकी स्कैवेंजर्स और वेस्टर्न की बीफ है, इसलिए ऐसे वो बकचोदी करने आया.
Let's just zone in and then we zone out drill again.
I think they are going for our castle. Scavengers.
Yeah, we go fight them there. Ask them
Scavengers
if they want to
have
fight.
वेस्टर्न भी आएगी, वहीं पे आएगी.
Hold east. If they come there, we fight them there, na? Fair.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
यार अपने को सीधा
Hold
सीधा
east, hold
कंटेंट
east,
कभी
hold
क्यों
east.
नहीं मिलता यार.
Amber, is Scav gonna fight or no?
East goes east. East. Okay, east.
Why do this way?
My bad.
Come southeast. Little bit closer, come southeast. And just zone out.
Why did I take right?
I'm in terrace. I'm holding terrace.
We are going real southeast side.
Invite me second party. I extra and get chat.
Yeah, tomato.
Maybe they are going to launch again.
What are you playing, Tomato?
Chariot bhai.
We have? We don't. Oh, you guys traded. Never mind. What is Lilia playing then?
जी है.
Yeah.
We have 2 GA. Oh
No,
अगर चैरियट है तो सबको पोर्टल में जाके स्मगलर करवा दो ना.
Okay, okay. Final zone. We're going Longfen Marsh, the castle.
Map check. Where are you right now?
Rail going southeast.
Wait, why are we going this way, Kingu?
Where should we go then?
It's fine. Both are same. Both are same.
Again, map check me.
Actually, if
We are in Rill southeast. We're gonna go southeast.
What the fuck is real?
Windgrass.
Windgrass
Windgrass
Rail.
Rail.
Zone out from southeast side.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see you now. Man.
whoa, thumbs up.
Yes. Skill must be yes.
Why does all Thailand girls look the same?
भाई यहाँ पे कितने सारे कोर रोबोटिक्स पड़े रहते हैं भैंसो.
लेना डाल देंगे.
मन कर रहा है एचओ डाल दो भाई.
I see scavengers okay for the castle.
डाल दें क्या?
कुछ तो डाले तो
ये मार्टलॉक का कोई रास्ता ढूंढो भाई, मेरे को एचओ लेके आना है.
अरे भाई
अरे
कर
तुम
लो.
लोगों ने रॉड कॉलर डाला आज?
Yeah, we have.
एचओ किट पड़ा हुआ है फ्रेशो उधर डन में, मुझे लेके आना
एक
होगा.
और आ जाएगा. 3 नॉकआउट डालेंगे.
चलेगा.
Officer is here in Scavenger.
Okay.
Officer is here in Ohm.
I told them we'll fight Telephone. Okay, they will siege. We will defend.
Venom.
Nice.
Windgrass rail से southeast. We are Bartlock.
ठीक है चलेगा. पहले रीगर कंप्लीट मारूंगा, उसके बाद ये कर लूंगा, उठा के लेके आ जाऊंगा.
Good job, Venom.
I told
Okay,
him
guys. I'm just saying, we have HOJ today, right? So I am gonna fake, and we're gonna engage at the same time as well. Like I can engage northeast side, and HOJ will pull west side. So engaged can be on HOJ. Okay.
Hi, can
Depends
you
how do
guys
they react.
can you guys hold on me? Can you guys hold
Yeah.
on me? I'm getting chased by some niggas.
Where are you?
In terrace. Just hold it. Southeast of terrace. I've got it. I won't be caught. But still.
Ping if you're in terrace. Okay, guys, come in terrace.
No, just let them let them
I mean,
stay.
yeah, we have time. It's fine. Come.
day. Very bad.
You can move.
Okay, let's go.
Mars.
There's a blob in cops. Did anyone check it?
Scavengers, maybe? No?
Scavengers. अभी मेरे से 3 जन गए सामने.
Okay, they won't start sieging until we reach there, okay?
Did you tell them if the Western come, we just skip fight, like stop fight and fight?
Yeah, we just stand out.
Western coming elephant.
Western. Yeah.
Okay, I told him. He told me. We will handle.
Guys, come southeast first.
Think
Anybody
GM can,
behind this red dot? Anybody else in terrace? Or we wait on someone? No, right? Cold Monk, where are you?
मैं तो वेस्टर्न के साथ नाच रहा हूँ.
Okay.
We will handle scavengers till the time we wipe Western, okay?
How do you select this gate, bro?
भाई
How
तुम
do you
लोग
select-
जल्दी नहीं आए तो वेस्टर्न तोड़ देगा. हाँ.
Western is
Take it
doing
away.
it right now.
Yeah, Western is.
They are with us. They are
with us, but you are almost a whole map behind, no? अब वो लोग तो T7, T8 hammer लेके घूमते हैं तो.
But they are with us means like, okay, that's why I'm asking. They're in Mars, right?
They are in Norway.
Yeah, we are right
no.
behind. We are right behind. That's fine.
और एक ब्लॉक है अपने पीछे.
Scavengers होगा. Scavengers है भाई.
No, it's Western on me.
Okay, give call if they dismount, please. Okay, don't be like ignore them
Yeah.
if they dismounting. Just give call.
Yeah. It's Western.
Western is moving with us.
Looks like a clap, but I don't know.
No. They full brawl.
Farisho, can you mark the trail, Ivor? With shield or
Yeah,
something.
that will boy.
Come to
They
this
have
ping
the off
where
timer spike, okay?
Harish
They
is
have the
here.
off timer spike.
I'm in Marsh already. Okay.
Okay.
We can't fight Western Union by the way, so just hold for scavengers.
Yeah.
Hold
But
west.
we have
kill-
Terry. We can engage from Terry's, no? Oh, sorry,
Yeah, we can.
Castle.
We
Yeah,
can.
we can just go Castle first.
And hold west.
They said to go def, they are gonna catch up. So I think we have to hold them before scavengers show up.
If scavengers getting pushed, we have to.
Oh, you guys not on smuggler.
मैं तो बोला ही जब पोर्टल जोन में था कि चेंज कर लो.
Bro, if we change, then we would be like too late now.
Not really.
Come from bridge. Where is Western ping? On the northwest side or northeast?
देखता हूँ.
Western
This is
blocked
safe. This
southeast,
is
bro.
safe. This is safe. This is safe.
Okay, go from there, guys. If you are behind, just go from there. I'm just coming from this side.
What job is this?
They're going there. What the fuck?
Yeah, they're
leaving.
bro. They're leaving. We just fight scavengers.
Maybe they are acting, they go and then they come back.
I don't think so, bro. Well, no, makes no sense.
If they wanna fight, they will fight.
We
एक
have.
D-tank check कर लो, southeast एक D-tank check कर लो.
Okay, guys, while you up there, let's go over through where we're gonna stand. Okay.
Scavengers को बोलो हम लोग का लोग कम है.
But Lilia is not talking though.
Okay, come here, guys. Come here. North side.
स्कैवेंजर पे नोड ही है ना.
Nah, scavenger bit.
On this wall, I would say DPS northeast side most of the time, and this when we call out engages like west side come from middle, north and northeast should be from here. Okay, don't go to west near these walls or north these walls, and then inside like hug southeast side most of the time.
अरे साउथ ईस्ट चेक करने मत जाओ, फाइट करो. आ जाओ. कौन जी साउथ ईस्ट.
अरे हाँ, मैं साउथ ईस्ट चेक कर रहा हूँ. हो सकता है एक बंदा होल्ड करा के फाइट स्टार्ट करने में
अरे
वेट करो.
वो लोग फाइट होने के बाद आएंगे ना, पूरा ब्लॉब उधर खड़ा
हाँ,
रहेगा.
मैं स्काउट करने जा रहा हूँ. चिल.
वो तो मैं बोला था, तब तो मजाक कर लिया तुम लोग. चेक कर लो. स्कैवेंजर को रुकने बोलो.
हाँ, स्कैवेंजर को वेट कराने बोल, इसलिए बता रहा हूँ.
Guys, come. When I say over the wall, when we are in this room, this is the over the wall. On this ping, this is the over the wall damage. Okay, for this gate.
Don't hit.
And we will see.
फिर से बोल रहा हूँ over the wall.
0 to 5. Yes,
This,
कर लो फाइट.
yeah, this mortar. Where is the mortar? Is from the chest.
ठीक है.
Chest to north, northwest, northeast, wherever they are. And when I call HOJ engage, you are engaging on the shield mark. And when I say on me, that's crown.
भाई तुम लोग बाहर क्यों हो? वेट में को आने दो.
कोई तो लाल बंदा है, उसको मैं कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ. मजा आ रहा है.
Convert. किसमें?
हाँ.
Scavengers to karmic.
हिंदू मुस्लिम चल रहा है.
No. Scavengers to karmic.
मैं तो फ्रॉग में कन्वर्ट कर रहा था. वो भी चलता है.
Hi. Scavenger,
Yeah.
any bomb squad?
I didn't see anybody.
Ask him.
Oh.
He's here.
He's here. Ask him, bro.
You're showing yourself.
शाइनी क्यों ऐसा ये?
अरे बस अरे भाई.
I imagine
Tell him,
they engage on
tell him, bro. His
Ember,
OCs
don't
are
give
out,
away
bro.
your bomb squad.
Fake.
Go.
They already know, bro.
They already know Ember. They were saying Ember about Ember.
Oh, it's Ember messaging. They have bomb squad.
हाय एम्बर उसको डबल ओसी करने बोला. बचा दिया उसको.
मैंने बोला था, उसने किया ही नहीं. I think he listens to only Chinese people.
स्कैवेंजर्स है किधर?
Scavengers moving. They're coming to us.
ओए मत मारो. ओए मारो मत चूतियो.
कोई मत मारो
भाई.
भाई पीआर से भाई उनका वो चुप रहो, मारो मत.
उस पे हीलर नहीं है भाई. मत करो. अचानक से मर गया ना.
By next guy to hit is gay.
I invite him to party.
अरे उसके पास ऑलरेडी पार्टी हो गई ना. मत कर सच
और मत मारो.
नहीं तुम लोग
है क्या भाई?
रीजी XX है क्या?
अबे भाई
भी दिया. नेक्स्ट वन टू हिट इज गे बोल भी दिया.
Maybe he's just revealing, bro. Maybe
Bro,
he's just revealing.
he's too open. He's
हाँ,
living in
वही.
America, not India, bro. Bajrang Dal is not there yet.
ओए राट आ गया, उसको मार देगा. मत कर उसको भी.
तुम लोग की बकचोदी नहीं खत्म हो रही.
Just come inside, everyone. Come inside. Everyone come inside.
Finally, यार.
वो तो ऐसे भी फर्स्ट एंगेज में होना है. स्पीड टॉकर.
वनम.
अभी तुम इतना आगे घूम रहे हो. बेंचो D-tank नहीं दिखाना भोसड़ी के.
Agree, भाई.
तब
Agree.
बताऊंगा मैं. यहाँ आ जाते हो बेंचो गांड के पीछे हीलर्स के।
एग्री भाई एग्री।
जा रहा हूँ भाई, ये हीलर देखो, शाइनी सबसे पहले मरेगा, गारंटी लिख के दे रहा हूँ मैं।
शाइनी भाई आज तो लाल बचा ले भाई, शाइनी आज तो आरबैक कर ले भाई, लिलिया गलत कर दे।
लिलिया वॉयलेट कर देगा भाई।
आरबैक ऑप्शन है भाई का।
वो नहीं मरता है, वो लूटर है।
मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, डेकू डैडी शिवम ये 4-5 जन एक ही कोने में क्यों सर डाल के खड़े हैं?
ये स्टिरिक्स को ओसी दे दो भाई।
वेनम हेड में ओसी डाल, क्या कर रहा है भाई?
अबे कल ही तो डाले थे
भाई। आई विल भाई, मैं अब देखता हूँ, हम पकड़ पकड़ के डलवाता हूँ, निकाल लेते और डालते नहीं हूँ।
अरे कल वो एक वो दे देना रिसीव।
वेस्टर्न पैराडाइज ड्राइविंग स्टॉप पे
मुझे डाल।
ड्राइविंग
फ्री कैसल चाहिए था हमें।
उनके पास एक कैसल है ऑलरेडी वैसे।
भाई ड्राइविंग, अच्छा एक्चुअली वो उनका होम जोन है ना, वो तो रहते हैं उनके पास ही हमेशा रहता है।
बच्चों डालो ना यहाँ पे, कुछ खेलने लायक तो बने भाई। मार्टिनो का आगे
क्या खेलेगा भाई तू, क्या खेलेगा?
सिंगासोरे ने पूरा अटैक डिक्लेयर करा, काली ने अपने पे करा। कल मजा आएंगे।
काला लट पे इतना हिम्मत, वो अपने पे अटैक किया।
वो देख, सी मैग्नम पूछ रहा है एचओ क्राफ्टिंग कब चालू होगी। मैंने बता उसको, तेरी गिल्ड में है क्राफ्टर।
ये टेरी अपने पास 2 दिन तक रहने दे, फिर तुरंत एचओ डाल रहा हूँ मैं।
कहाँ डालेगा एचओ? ये तो
26 हो जाएगा 2 दिन में।
26 नहीं 20,000 चाहिए।
अच्छा मिलिटेंट का
भाई क्वालिटी 3 है वो।
Bro, we don't need HP भाई, we can HO ना, why need HP?
20,000
20,000
Bro, where are scavengers?
ऐसे ही एचओ भी डाल सकते हैं, we don't even need to do
डाल सकते हैं। ये डाल देंगे भाई 2 दिन में। कल तो मैं हूँ नहीं, मंडे को डालते हैं।
इसका ब्लॉग है ये।
Scavengers, it's scavengers, it's scavengers।
हाँ स्कैवेंजर्स पे दिया आ गया।
भाई 4 हेड है भाई हमारा जोन में।
There is no arc in the whole zone।
पूरा पेनोसी, पूरा पेनोसी।
डिस्माउंट ओए देखिए ओए।
पूरा पेनोसी, come inside, position yourselves guys।
जॉब लगे को।
Come inside।
I already are, okay? Just the moment you see them, just take them।
You already are? Okay, okay।
Yeah।
Come।
एक सेकंड में नहीं हुआ।
नोटिस से भी आ रहे हैं। One guy
Oh,
noticed।
someone is wonking notice as well, okay?
Okay।
Okay, he went away।
Tanks, D-tanks, I told you guys, position properly.
Amber,
Okay, we just gonna do one warm up engage, okay? Be ready. After their guard room goes up. Look on the northwest side in 3, 2, 1. One guy. He's almost dead. Nice, dead. Go back, full back. Ivor, I want you to pull
Polymorph, बढ़िया चीज़ है।
west side, okay? Spread, def. Hold.
स्टिरिक्स मर गया। हेलो, बाहर क्यों थे भाई?
I need cooldowns.
नो वे।
I need cooldowns.
अरे बाहर क्यों गए?
अरे चिल फोकस कर।
कूलडाउन रेडी।
Okay. Go. Ivor, go south in 3, in 2, in 1. Go. Oh my bad. I don't call direction.
गार्ड रूम कहां है भाई?
Go back. Spread. D. Defend. And hold cooldowns. Gate percentage. How much is gate percentage?
3%, breaking now।
Okay. Go south. Spread. Go south. Defend.
Heal.
GG।
Oh my god।
Go south. Go inside the gate. Hold here. Look northeast. Look north. Can you pull, Ivor?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull now. Look north in 3, 2, 1. Come on top of me. And go back. Go back inside. Go back. Defend. Go back.
How many did we lose?
3, I think.
4।
Bomb died। Ember died।
Just hold. Where they're going?
Another
side. From inside.
Okay. Come inside.
One D-tank stay on the other side.
Okay. I need you to pull when I say, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go outside. We're gonna engage in soon, okay? Pull them.
No, you tell
Pull
me.
them anywhere. East. Pull them east. They drop GA. Okay, hold. Look on the east side in 3, in 2, in 1. Look on top of me, on top of me. And go back. Go back, hold. Give me percentage on the gate, guys. It will be too late. Give me percentage on the gate.
25%. Go inside.
Okay,
Go
we're gonna do
inside.
one. Okay, go inside. Southeast, go southeast. Go inside, guys. Everyone go inside fast. They're gonna engage soon. They G8. Okay, ready to def. Okay, let's go south. Help Ivar.
You can
अरे
engage.
demon
Look on
उनके पास
northwest
engage
in
अभी
3,
भी है
2, in 1. On this guy. Let's go back a little bit. Reset. We're gonna engage soon. Tell me cooldowns as soon as you have. Okay, go over the wall. I need you to pull over the wall. Try.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, go over the wall. Okay, we're gonna hit that mace in 3, in 2, in 1. Go back now. Def. Come back. Help Ivar again. Percentage on the gate.
They are bonking south.
73.
They just
Bonk
broke
other side.
the
Bingo, the other side gate is open.
Okay, look on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage.
फुल पुश करेंगे जैसे ये गेट टूटेगा याद रखना
And go back. Go back, hold, cooldowns again.
साउथ ईस्ट निकलना है कि लॉर्ड रूम में फाइट करना
No, wait. Cooldowns.
या फुल
Trail, go. Can you?
Trail
Trail
on
on the
the
gate, Okay, pull on the gate.
9 seconds.
3, in 2, in 1. On top of me.
You all good.
Okay, just go back. Pulled gate percentage.
अलग
Okay, go back west.
Gate gone.
Keep walking west. Don't
Alag,
be afraid,
alag, bro,
don't be afraid.
alag.
We're gonna engage over the wall. Cool down up or no?
No. 11 seconds.
Okay. Get ready. I'm gonna do this one deep.
You wanna do over the wall?
Yeah. Get ready over the wall. Guys, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, look on the east side, northwest in 3, in 2, in 1. Look northwest on top of me. Just go back. Good job. Def. Help up front.
Heal up.
Hold, I drop duty. Hold. Tell me cooldowns again.
Guy inside us.
Cooldowns in 3 seconds.
Okay, you can W the guy inside us.
The Infinity Blade inside us.
W that guy. We're gonna engage him in 3, in 2, in 1, whatever you have. Okay, go back. Don't inch up far. Hold. Reset on heart. Tell me when you have it again. Tell me when you have
Ready.
it.
मैं
Okay,
G
go over the wall when I say.
They're coming from southwest.
Go northwest in 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest. Go back. Def.
One guy inside of it.
Okay. Qs and Ws that guy. Look on top of me. Qs and Ws. Just Qs and Ws.
Ready in 2 seconds.
Okay. We're gonna engage on 6.
Go Lord room.
Be careful,
It's fine. Hold. Trail, can you push on top of me?
Beat
Just
over.
push on top of me, okay?
Okay.
Hold. Don't go too far. Clothes, be careful.
They have engaged. Okay, they're gonna probably.
Okay.
Let's not engage though. We can engage.
Yep. I'm holding. Spread.
It's a fake.
Just hold. Just hold. Okay. I'm gonna pull this guy. Just hold. Yeah, I wanted to kill that cat right now. Oh. Okay, hold.
You can engage on the north though.
Yeah, wait. Okay, pull them from northwest. Wait. Trail. Pull this iron root bomb
the
in
Kingmaker is
3,
walking in
in
from-
2, in 1. Pull this root bomb. Okay, go back. Def. Hard
There's
def.
the Infinity Blade behind you, bro.
Hard
The
def.
Infinity Blade is
Yeah.
behind you,
Go
bro.
inside Lord room. Push Lord room. Potions.
Infinity Blade आया उनके सोलो में
हाँ ठीक है
Okay,
हील करते रहे
GG,
Infinity Blade help him guys help him
Say GG.
And now keep walking.
Say GG. Just go east. Walk out together east.
Bro.
Just go east.
Don't hit them.
It's okay, good fight.
Chill. Go southeast. Go zone out southeast.
they're still killing bro No, okay.
Why are they killing?
Bro.
Okay, hold northwest.